Hi y'all, this is DP from Drunken Pilgrim with all the crazy shit. Today I wanted to talk about the top 5 weirdest sports. The first weird ass sport is bath rubbing. Now this ain't no kinky position, this is a competitive sport where people take their old bathtubs and race them in a river. Kids do it, pretty ladies do it, sometimes you even fall out. But after a beer and when you're good and ready, you can go ahead and soup that sumbitch up, throw a motor on it, and make sure you win the race. Our next weird sport is the Birdman competition. It started in 1971 where people dressed real goofy and would jump off this big pier to see who gets the furthest. Now while they all look real silly like and jump off this 35-foot pier, normally resulting in a belly flop, there have been prizes as big as $32,000. Go ahead and count me in. Our next weird ass sport is oil wrestling. This is not your traditional two pretty ladies getting in a pool full of oil after a couple shots of tequila type of wrestling. These are dudes lathering themselves up in olive oil, then smashing the shit out of each other. This sport started over 600 years ago and is going on all over the world. Now, while I prefer a good sexy wrestling from time to time, let the boys be boys, but gentlemen, you on your own. This next sport is weird as hell, and it's called gurning. It started back in the year 1267 in the UK, and gurning actually means face pulling. So these people put these big things around their necks and get paid to make these ugly ass faces. Hell, my cousins try out for this, so whether you buy yourself or for a competition, make sure you get your kin involved. And our last crazy ass sport is extreme ironing. These people iron in crazy places like up in the air, on the side of a cliff, or even deep underwater in the ocean, in the cold, or even on a pole. Hell yeah. So whether you're bike riding or just ironing while you're going fishing, extreme ironing. Thank you for hanging out, y'all. This is DP with Drunken Pilgrim. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll find you some more crazy shit. Also, don't tell my girlfriend about this, because I ain't want her knowing I be talking about no other pretty ladies.